Hello, my friend. Welcome to my All Farmers channel for all American farmers. Have you ever wondered how those delicious duck eggs you find at the store make their way from the farm to your plate? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of American duck farming and the incredible process of harvesting millions of tons of these nutritious eggs each year. From the fields to your table, we'll uncover the secrets behind this agricultural marvel. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to receive the next fascinating videos from the world of farming from all farmers. One of the great advantages of raising ducks for eggs is their exceptional egg production compared to other poultry. While chickens are commonly known for their eggs, many people don't realize that certain duck breeds, like the Cocky Campbell, can lay more eggs per year than most chickens. Not only are duck eggs larger, but they also have a richer flavor and a higher nutritional value, making them a favorite for baking and gourmet cooking. As we explore this topic, you'll discover the many benefits of incorporating ducks into your farm. Throughout this video, we'll cover essential topics, including how to raise ducks for egg production, the best practices for harvesting and collecting duck eggs, and even tips on feeding your ducks without breaking the bank. Whether you're an experienced farmer or just getting started, there's something here for everyone. So grab your notepad and let's jump right into the fascinating world of duck egg farming. First things first, if you want to raise ducks for eggs, you need to choose the right breed. Some popular egg-laying breeds include the Cocky Campbell, Pekin, and Indian Runner. The Cocky Campbell is particularly known for its prolific egg production, often laying up to 300 eggs a year. On the other hand, Pekin ducks are not only good layers, but also grow quickly, making them a dual-purpose option for meat and eggs. Lastly, the Indian Runner ducks are active foragers and are known for their unique upright posture. When selecting your ducks, consider your specific goals, whether you want high egg production, good meat quality, or a combination of both. Once you've chosen the right breed, it's essential to create a suitable living environment for your ducks. Ducks need a safe and comfortable space to thrive. A well-ventilated coop that is elevated off the ground helps protect it from predators while also providing shelter from the elements. Ideally, your coop should have at least 4 square feet of space per duck inside, plus a secure outdoor run where they can roam freely. Ducks love to forage, so the more space you can provide, the better. In addition to a proper shelter, access to fresh water is crucial. Ducks require a shallow body of water not just for drinking, but also for dipping their bills and splashing around. This helps them keep their feathers clean and healthy. A kiddie pool or a deep water trough can serve this purpose effectively. Make sure to change the water regularly to keep it clean, as ducks can be quite messy. Lastly, let's talk about nutrition. Ducks require a balanced diet to maintain their health and maximize egg production. High-quality duck feed is available, but you can also supplement their diet with grains, vegetables, and kitchen scraps. Foods like corn, peas, and leafy greens are excellent choices. Remember to avoid giving them anything toxic, such as onions, chocolate, or moldy food. Providing a varied diet not only ensures your ducks stay healthy, but also improves the quality of the eggs they produce. Once your ducks are settled in and properly cared for, it's time to focus on the exciting part: harvesting those delicious duck eggs. Ducks typically start laying eggs at around 5 to 6 months of age, and depending on the breed, they can produce anywhere from 150 to 300 eggs each year. This consistent production makes ducks an appealing option for those looking to run an egg business or just add some fresh eggs to their diet. Understanding the laying cycle of your ducks will help you know what to expect as they mature. Now, let's discuss the best practices for harvesting the eggs. It's crucial to collect the eggs daily to ensure their freshness and prevent any damage. Duck eggs can be more resilient than chicken eggs, but they can still crack or become dirty if left in the nesting area for too long. The ideal time to collect the eggs is in the early morning when ducks are most likely to lay. This not only gives you the freshest eggs, but also helps to maintain a clean nesting environment. When you approach the nesting area, be calm and gentle. Ducks can be a bit skittish, so it's essential to move slowly and quietly to avoid startling them. Use a basket or a soft container to collect the eggs. It's a good idea to wear gloves, especially if you notice any droppings in the nesting area, as this can help keep the eggs clean and free from contaminants. Always check for cracks or any signs of damage before placing the eggs in your basket. After collecting the eggs, proper storage is key to maintaining their quality. Duck eggs have a thicker shell compared to chicken eggs, which gives them a longer shelf life. Store the eggs in a cool, dry place, ideally in the refrigerator, where they can last several weeks. If you plan to sell the eggs, ensure they are clean and have not been subjected to temperature fluctuations. Many duck egg enthusiasts prefer to wash their eggs before selling, but this can remove the protective bloom, so be cautious. With the right care and attention, your duck eggs can be a delicious and profitable addition to your farm. Now that you understand the basics of duck egg production, let's dive deeper into the process of collecting those eggs effectively. Collecting duck eggs is not just about gathering them. It's about doing it in a way that keeps both you and your ducks happy. Ducks are naturally protective of their nests, so it's important to approach the area with care. When you enter the coop or nesting area, speak softly to the ducks to let them know you're there. This helps to reduce any stress and makes the collection process smoother. When you reach the nesting boxes, take a moment to observe the ducks and the layout. Ducks usually prefer specific spots for laying, so familiarizing yourself with these areas will make collection easier and quicker. If your ducks have created their own nesting spots outside or in less conventional places, be prepared to search a bit. Keeping track of their laying patterns can also help you anticipate where to find the eggs. Once you've identified where the eggs are, gently reach in to collect them. Use one hand to carefully lift any bedding or straw aside, and with the other hand, gently roll the eggs towards you to avoid any accidental cracking. It's important to handle the eggs delicately, as they are still vulnerable to breakage even with their thicker shells. If you notice any eggs that are particularly dirty, set them aside to clean later, but be careful not to wash them immediately, as that can remove the protective coating. After you've collected all the eggs, it's time to inspect them for quality. Check each egg for cracks, leaks, or any unusual smells, as these can indicate spoilage. It's best to segregate any questionable eggs to prevent contamination of the fresh ones. Store the good eggs in a clean basket or container lined with a soft cloth to cushion them. Remember, your goal is to keep the eggs clean and undamaged, ensuring that they remain safe for consumption or sale. By establishing a routine and being mindful during collection, you'll keep your ducks happy and your egg supply thriving. Feeding your ducks is a vital part of ensuring their health and productivity, especially when it comes to maximizing egg production. A well-balanced diet not only helps your ducks stay healthy, but also contributes to the quality of the eggs they lay. Ducks require a diet rich in protein, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. The ideal starting point is to use a high-quality duck feed, specifically formulated for their nutritional needs. This feed typically contains a mix of grains, protein sources, and vitamins to support growth and egg laying. However, relying solely on commercial feed can be costly. To save money and ensure your ducks get a varied diet, consider supplementing their feed with whole grains like corn, wheat, and barley. These grains provide essential energy and nutrients. Additionally, you can introduce protein-rich foods like peas, lentils, or even mealworms. Offering a diverse diet not only keeps your ducks healthy, but also engages them in natural foraging behavior, which can be beneficial for their overall well-being. In addition to grains and commercial feed, ducks love kitchen scraps. You can use vegetable peels, leftover fruits, and greens to create a more varied diet. However, it's crucial to avoid certain foods that can be harmful to them, such as onions, garlic, and chocolate. Always ensure that any scraps are fresh and free from mold. Rotting or spoiled food can lead to serious health issues for your ducks. A little creativity in the kitchen can go a long way in providing your ducks with nutritious and affordable meals. Lastly, don't forget about their water needs. Ducks require constant access to fresh water, not just for drinking, but also for dipping their bills and keeping their feathers clean. Providing a shallow pool or water trough is ideal. This allows them to forage and play while also staying hydrated. Remember, a happy duck is a productive duck, so make sure they have a balanced diet, plenty of clean water, and room to roam. By doing so, you'll ensure your ducks thrive and produce plenty of delicious eggs for you. As we wrap up our journey into the world of duck egg farming, it's clear that raising ducks can be an incredibly rewarding experience. From their delightful personalities to their impressive egg production, ducks offer a unique and enjoyable addition to any farm or homestead. Whether you're interested in running a business or simply providing fresh, nutritious eggs for your family, ducks have a lot to offer. By following the guidelines we've discussed today, you can ensure that your ducks thrive and remain productive. Remember, the key to successful duck egg farming lies in understanding their needs, providing them with a safe and comfortable living environment, a balanced diet, and plenty of fresh water. Establishing a daily routine for collecting and handling eggs will help maintain their quality, ensuring that you can enjoy delicious, fresh duck eggs or sell them for a profit. The time you invest in caring for your ducks will pay off in the long run with both health and happiness. We encourage you to share your experiences or any questions you might have about raising ducks for eggs in the comments below. Your insights could be valuable to other aspiring duck farmers in our community. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tips and tricks on farming and homesteading. Thank you for watching, and we hope you're inspired to explore the wonderful world of duck egg farming. Until next time, happy farming!